those people, those students whose answer is 1 will stay here. All other can skip the video, because I want to teach those students whose answer is 1. Remember that 1 is incorrect answer. So those whose answer is 1 will stay here. Let us solve this question how they will get 1, because their method of solution is in such a way that they will treat this division as a bridge between this portion and this portion. 12 divided by 12, they will get 1. Okay, now this division which is called bridge, and 12 divided by 12, it is also 1. So there is nothing. Now 1 divided by 1 is 1, and that is the answer which is obtained by 90% of people. But I have already told you that 1 is not correct. So let us handle this question according to PEMDAS, according to order. We have only division. Remember that when we have division or multiplication, only we have to move from left to right. Mean this division will be first solved, then this, then this. So by solving this one, we will get 1. Okay, divided by 12 as it is, divided by 12 as it is. Now by moving from left to right, we have this portion which can be written as 1 over 12 divided by this one which is written as it is. Now 1 over 12 as it is, divide can be changed into multiplication. 12 over 1 can be flipped to make it 1 over 12. Now what will be the answer? 1 times 1 gives us 1. 12 times 12 gives us 144. And that will be the correct and exact answer for this PEMDAS based question. Thank you for your support.